Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create custom navigation menus in Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see online store, you're going to tap on that. After selecting online store, from here you're going to select navigation. After selecting navigation, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you will see your footer menu, and you will also see your main menu. Later on in the video, I will be showing you how to edit both menu. But to add a custom navigation menu, all you'll have to do is tap on Add Menu right here. After you have done that, you're going to enter the menu name. So let's say, for example, I want to name this menu Test. After you have done that, you're going to see the option Add Menu Item. You're going to tap on that. And from here, you can add the page that you would like to use. So for example, I'll type in product. Then you're going to go onto link. After you have typed in link, from here you can add the page link. So let's say, for example, I want to add products to the product page. I'll tap on products. Then I can choose either all products, or I could choose one particular product. For this example, I'll select all products. After you're finished, you'll tap on add. Then from there, you can add another item. So I'll tap on add menu item. Then for this example, I will create a page. Let me see. I'll name this page blog. Then I'll go again and I'll tap on link. Then I'll select blogs. After selecting blogs, I'll tap on news. Then I'll tap on add. Once you're finished, from here, you're going to tap on save menu. And you can see a handle is used to reference a menu in Liquid. So I'll tap on Save Menu. After you have saved the menu, you can see it right here, Product, and you can see Blog. If you would like to move one above the other, you can do that by simply tapping on the 6 dots and drag the one that you would like to place at the top. Then you'll tap on Save Menu. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the arrow to go back in the top left-hand corner. And from here, you can see that we now have 3 menus. You can see test, main menu, footer menu also. And by the way, if you would like to edit the main menu, all you have to do is tap on main menu. Once you have done that, you will see the main menu right here. And let's say, for example, you wanted to add an item to the main menu. You could tap on add. And from there, you could type in the name. So let's say, for example, test. Then I would like to link it to my blog page. I could tap on blog post right here. Then after doing that, you could search for the blog, but I don't have any blog posts, so I'll type in blog. Let me go back. I'll type in blog. So I'll tap on blogs and I'll add it to blogs. Then I'll tap on add in the bottom right hand corner, and you can see that it has been added. And also, if you would like to delete one of the menus, you can tap on delete and then tap on remove. And also, if you would like to drag one to the top, so let's say, for example, I'd like catalog to be at the top instead of home. All you'll have to do is tap on the 6 dots, then you'll drag catalog to the top, and from there you are going to tap on save, and that's it. And you can see the option right here at the bottom also to add a menu item. So I don't want catalog at the top, so let me pull it back down. Then I'll tap on save. And you can also change the main menu title at the top right here if you wanted to. After you're finished, you can go back. Then from there, you can also edit the footer menu if you want. So you could tap on footer menu. And at the moment, you can see that the search bar only searches in the footer menu. So you can add more items if you would like in the footer section. Once you're finished doing all of your changes now, finish setting up the menu. To view the menu, all you'll have to do is hover over Online Store from the left hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on the eye icon that says View Your Online Store, and it will open up this page. And as you can see right here, you can now see Home, Catalog, Contact that I had edited right there, and you can see Product and Tests. And also, by the way, if you were to scroll down, you can see the footer section, and you can see Search right here. And by the way, if you would like to edit more sections in the footer right here, all you'll have to do, let me go back to the main admin. Once in the main admin, what I would recommend you do is tap on Themes. After selecting Themes, you are going to tap on Customize. Then once you have selected Customize, what I want you to do is go over to the left hand menu option. Then you are going to see Footer. You'll simply hover over Footer. Then let's say, for example, you want to remove this section. All you have to do is tap on the particular section that you would like to remove. Then you are going to tap on the trash can, and you can see that it has been removed. Also, if you would like to edit this section, let's say you want to edit the text, you'll tap on the section, then you'll see the text box pop up in the left hand column. And from here, you can delete or you can add whatever you would like to add to it. And you can also change the heading if you want. And also, if you would like to remove the subscribe section right here, you can do that also if you want. Right where you see show email sign up, you could untick that and you can see that it has been removed. But I would recommend that you keep it. And you can also change the background if you want. Right where you see color scheme, you could tap on background. Then from there, you could select background number 2 and see if you see a difference. Or you could select accent 1, as you can see there, or accent 2. And you can see the difference right there if you would like to change the footer color. And you can also scroll down and you can see some more changes. Enable follow on shop. You can untick that or you can tick that if you want. If you would like to show social media icons, you could tick that and then you'll be able to show the social media icons that you have added your social media to. Then you can also scroll down and you can enable language selector if you want. And if you do not want the payment icons to show, you could untick them to remove the payment icons, as you can see right there. Once you're finished making the changes, all you'll have to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.